Hello dear students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home and also studying at home. Okay, again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Okay, and in maths already I told you that we do writing work. So first of all of you take out your books and your notebooks from your bag. Okay, and open your books also and your notebook also fast. And what we are doing in our previous lecture, what we have done? We have done worksheet that is given on page number 90. So from that worksheet, question number 1 and question number 2 already we have done. So only one question is left, that is question 3. So today we are going to do question number 3, and in that question 3 two parts are given, A and B. So two word problem are there. So today we are going to solve these two word problem. Okay. So first of all of you open your books and open your notebooks fast. I will give you 2 minutes. Take out your pencil, your eraser, sharp your pencil fast. Fast. And open. No need to open new page. If you have space in the same page that we are doing, we have done question number 2. If same after the question number 2, if there is a space in your notebook, you can continue from the same page. If no space is there, so take out new page and write today's date. Okay, so write today's date. What is the date today? You write here today's date. And in book open page number 90. Open page number 90 and write today's date in your notebook. Okay, so first word problem. First I am going to read word problem for you. So the first word problem that is given is, you also try to read the question. So start reading with me. Okay, I am reading the question. You pay attention in your book. So the question is question number 3A. Tanya had 67 comic books. How many comic books Tanya have? Tanya had 67 comic book. And her friend Humaira had 32. Tanya के पास 67 comic book है और हुमैरा के पास 32. How many books they had all together? So दोनों को मिलाकर दोनों के पास कितनी बुक है वो फाइंड करना है. Okay. Once again I am reading the question. So read with me. You also read with me. Say Tanya had 67 comic books and her friend Humaira had 32. How many books they had all together? All together means इकट्ठा एक साथ. And whenever we find anything all together, that means we have to perform additions question. Okay. So first we will write the question. So start writing with me. Here I am writing question on the board. You copy the question in your notebook. Okay. Start writing with me and write in good handwriting and write clear. Start writing with me. Tanya had question number 3A. Tanya had 67 comic books. 67 comic books. And her friend Humaira, HUMAI, RA. And her friend Humaira had 32. Had 32. Full stop. How many books? How many books they had altogether? They had altogether. So you also first copy the question fast from the board. Then once again I will explain you the question. So first you copy the question from the board. Okay, have you written the question? Once again I am reading the question. Tanya had 67 comic books and her friend Humaira had 32. How many books they had all together? All together means that means you have to add. Okay, so start writing with me. First write the solution. SOLUTION solution. Okay. So what first we will write? How many books Tanya had? Okay. So write Tanya had books. So how many books Tanya had? How many Tanya had books? She had 67. So write here 67. Now her friend, that means Humaira. So write Humaira had books. So how many books Humaira had? Make sure that the sign will be in the same line, just one after other. एक के नीचे एक आपको लगाना है. So the story books, comic books Humaira had is 32. So write here 32. Now what you have to find? Books all together. So write books all together. That means we have to add all the books that Tanya and Humaira is having. So make a sign of plus here. Now add it. So we always start adding from the ones place digit. So here the digit at ones place is 7 and 2. Here the digit at ones place is 7 and 2. So add 7 and 2. Using your finger add 7 and 2. And tell me what is the answer. 7 plus 2 is 9. Very good. And now add the digits at tens place. Digit at tens place. So here the digit at tens place is 6 and 3. Digit at tens place is 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 is, find out the answer of 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is again 9. So total books all together is 99. So first you note down the solution from the board fast. Then once again I am going to explain you the same. Write fast. Write fast and copy correct from the board and make sure that number should be in the same box, just one after other. Okay, and this is the sign of addition, that means plus. So make the sign of plus clear so that it should be understood for you that you are doing addition here. This is the word problem of addition. This is the word problem of addition. Write fast. Now once again I am explaining the same word problem. Okay, so in this question we have to find total number of books that Tanya and Umaira is having. So we have to add, okay, the books that Tanya is having and the books Umaira is having. So first we will write that Tanya had books. How many books Tanya had? So how many books Tanya had? Tanya had 67 books. So write Tanya had books is equals to 67. Now we have to write the number of books Humaira is having. So Humaira had books. How many books Humaira had? 32. So write here 32. Now we have to find total number of books. So books altogether, then we added 67 plus 32. So 67 plus 32 is 99. So total number of books is 99. Write fast. Then we will do the next question. Write fast. Or you can pause the video and write, or you can take the screenshot of the video and write afterwards. Okay. So I am rubbing the board. Now the next question. So first I am reading the question. So see, look into your book. Question number 3B. Okay, the last part of this worksheet. Question number 3B. Manju had 48 sarees. मंजू के पास कितनी साड़ीज है? 48. Manju had 48 sarees. She gave. What is the meaning of gave? देना. So she gave 25 sarees to friend and relatives during Diwali. उसने क्या किया कि उसने 25 sarees उसके relatives को और friends को दिवाली पे गिफ्ट दे दिया. How many sarees were left with her? अब उसके पास कितनी साड़ी बची है? Left means बचना. Okay, so what you have to find? We have to subtract. Okay, we have to subtract the sarees that she has given from the total number of sarees. उसके पास कितनी साड़ी है उसमें से उसने कितनी साड़ी दे दी, उसको subtract करेंगे. Okay, minus करेंगे. So this word problem is of subtraction. Okay, so first write the question. B. Manju had, right? Manju had 48 sarees. 48 sarees. Full stop. She gave 25 sarees. 25 sarees to her friends and relatives. To her friends and relatives and relatives during Diwali. During Diwali. Once again I am writing the word during. D-U-R-I-N-G. During Diwali. How many saris? How many saris were left with her? Were left with her. So first copy the question first from the board, or you can copy the question from the book also. The same question is given in your book on page number 90. So fast note down the question. Now write the solution. So first we will write that how many saris Manju had. So write Manju had saris. So how many saris she is having? 48. So write here 4, 8, 48. Now in question, what is the second line? She gave 25 saris to her friends and relatives. So saris she gave. How many saris she gave? $25. So write here 2, 5, 25. So in the first line of solution, Manju had saris. So total number of saris she is having is 48, and number of saris she gave or she gifted to her friends and relative during Diwali is 25. Now how many saris were left with her? So saris left. Saris left. That means we have to do subtraction. We have to subtract the number of saris we gave from total number of saris she had. So 48 minus 25. So do the subtraction. Try to subtract. So we always start subtracting from ones place digit. So first identify the digit that is given at ones place. So the ones place digit is 8 and 5. So subtract 5 from 8. Take out 8 fingers. Take out 8 fingers and close 5 fingers. Now count the remaining fingers. So the remaining fingers is 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now subtract the digit at tens place. So the digit at tens place is 4 and 2. So subtract 4 and 2. Which number you obtain? 2. So 48 minus 25 is 23. That means saris left with Manju is 23. So write fast. Then once again I am going to explain you the same question. Write fast. write fast and copy correct from the board. Copy correct from the board. So once again I am explaining you the same question. So first, what is given? That Manju had 48 saris. So the same line we have written. Manju had saris. So how many saris she had? 48. So write here 48. Now saris she gave. How many saris she gave to her relatives and friends? 25. So minus 25. Now we have to find the number of saris were left with her. मतलब मंजू के पास लास्ट में कितनी saris बची. So that means it is the word problem of subtraction. So we perform here subtraction. So how many saris were left with her? Only 23. Copy fast. So here we have completed our worksheet of this chapter, and also the chapter also we have finished. So the chapter already we have finished, only we are doing the revision time and worksheet. So I hope all of you have understood it very nicely, and in our next lecture we will meet again with new chapter. Till then, have a nice day, good day, take care.